Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we have for you this beautiful Todd's shoulder in grey. So this shoulder has double top handles. On the back we've got two really nice big flat pockets there. I'll open it up and show you the inside. So we've got a magnetic fasten there. Inside we've got one quite spacey, nice main compartment, and then we've also got that zipped pocket at the back there as well. So the condition of this one, we have called the exterior fair. It still looks great. I actually quite like that it looks a little bit aged and creasy. It goes quite nicely with the colour of it as well. But yeah, we called it fair because it is a little bit creased, and on the base as well, it does have quite a bit of marking on there. For the hardware, again, we've called fair. If I bring it up close to the camera, you might be able to see it, but there's just quite a bit of marking and scratching along the silver hardware. Inside, again, we've called fair. Doesn't look too bad inside, but just on the leather bits at the top, there is just a bit of marking and scratching along there, and just here as well on one side there is just a little tiny pen mark on there. So for the size of this bag, go to the website. You will find the exact measurements if you go to the link in the description below. Hopefully that link will take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, that does mean it is sold if it takes you to our generic product page. But if you love this bag, then you can get on our request list, which you can do by filling out our contact form, letting us know that you love this bag, and we'll get you on that request list. And that applies to any bag that you fancy as well. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4", and this is what it looks like on me. If I had it as a shoulder. I really like this bag. I feel like it's a perfect kind of everyday bag. It's super spacey, got those nice big pockets at the back as well. Yeah, so you can also wear this one on your arm like this, or I quite like it just handheld as well. This Todd's also comes with the dust bag to keep it protected. So for more details on the bag, then go to the link in the description below. Hopefully it should take you directly to this bag, and you'll find on our website loads more bags as well, so hopefully you'll be able to find something to your fancy. On our website you'll also find the option to sign up to our newsletter, and if you sign up to our newsletter you will get your discount code through email. Hopefully it should go straight to email. If it doesn't, check your junk or your spam folder and it should be in there, but don't forget to sign up to that so you can get your discount code. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so on there you'll find all the details you need to know about selling any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. So that's all I have for you, and we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.